Yep, here we are again. This video I'm gonna show how to take off the amp, that Harman and Kardon. First thing you do, turn your key on over there. Then you put your seat up all the way. Put your seat up all the way. Put it up. There's a cover in the front. You gotta take off. It's got some clips. That's where you pry it off them. But I will get the back ones first. Yeah. So you go to the back and it's right there, exposed. It's got one right here and one right here. These are pretty easy to get to. I use a 5/16. I took those off. Yeah, a little 5/16 socket. See, once you pry, you let it loose, you're good to go for the back. But then you gotta do the front afterwards. Let's just do the back first, cause yeah, the front ones are pretty tricky. As you can see, there's a plate right there. It's kind of gets in the way. It's got some slots right about, I don't know, something like that. But I use this little ratchet for the battery pulse terminals to let them loose on my well, not the pulse, but the screws, the bolts in my battery for the Equinox, Silverado. So it's a 5/16 or 8mm. Like I said, I pried it up in there. The reason I say do the front ones, because I just pried up in there and boom, I already loosened them up. So yeah, but yeah, they're a little bit hard to get off. Okay, that's all it goes. Gotta kind of wiggle your hand in there. That's how you take them off. Yeah, these front ones are a pain. Like I said, you gotta do the back, because you can push it down. Come on. Come on, let go. There you go. Okay, that's the second one. Yeah, it's got these this plate in the front. Got two clips. So it goes like there. Pry it off on one side and then the other one. Make sure you don't break it. And like I said, it's once you do that, it's ready to get taken off. Let's see, like this one, it's broken. Gotta replace that. And, oh crap! Yeah, I forgot. You gotta pull it off. Yeah, push it forward so you can access the back again. That should be good enough. Yeah, like I said, once you free everything up, you just take these little clips off. That's the fiber. This one's the fiber optics. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 plugs you got to pull out. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Doubt it, but it doesn't hurt to try. I'm gonna have to prime with something. Yeah, I would say use like a flat one. I think this will work. Might be a little bit too fat, but let's do it. It's got some little things right there. Oh, that's it. That's one out. And this one, same thing, up on top. This one's a little bit tricky. Let's see. Oh, snap. Yeah, sorry about that. Lost my tripod, don't know where it is. Just bear with me. Okay, next one. That one was easy. The next one, the one, black one, same thing, real easy. So that's 3 out of 4. Wow, let me. Fiber optics, got a little one on the side. Boom. That's your fiber optics. This green one is tricky. Come on, fucker. Nope. And that is it. Yeah, once you take it out, that's it. Boom. Got your amp. This one is a 1 premium. It's always, like I said, always take it off and then you know which one to buy. Try to find out and put the same one back in. Those are the plugs. Yeah, 5/16s. A flat screw, pry it off. And there, you can take your amp out, which is to be seen some better days. It's not that big of an amp. But yep. Thanks for watching.